Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, or as usual in the middle of the night. First of all, if you are a sneakerhead, you will subscribe to this channel. And second of all, if you are a sneakerhead, why don't you have these? So, I haven't opened this second pair yet, but we all think that this is the best Air Jordan 1s this year. And the funny thing is, or the weird thing is, that they are on sale everywhere, more or less in all sizes, more or less. So I have more or less no use for them, hard to say, but I don't have space for more shoes, more or less. And if I'm going to buy shoes, I'm gonna stick to OG colorways that I don't have already. Like I'm waiting for the black toes. Yeah, we're all waiting for those. But I'm gonna explain how silly I am as a sneakerhead. So the metallic burgundy shoe better than expected was way too expensive for my taste, or for it to feel right. And as a sneakerhead, I blame the new prices all on resellers and people paying resale. And I have several times actually paid Swedish expensive full retail price for a pair of airships that I really like, instead of buying them half price on StockX. Same with Air Jordan 1s. Air Jordan 1s, I can't explain why they suddenly are dead. But the airship, I sort of can understand it's not a real Air Jordan, yada yada yada. But it's a really nice shoe with most of the time really nice material. And the Swedish price is kind of idiotic, like $220. So yeah, you can get them from StockX or Goat for like $100 or less. So to get to the mids, people for some reason they claim that they don't like mids. By the way, Michael Jordan played in mids, just so you know that. Not always, but just to mention it. And I think mids are comfortable. I like mids. The more people dislike mids, the more I show love for them. But I'm trying to get to the point. So the metallic burgundy dropped. The Swedish retail price was like $245. Crazy. They were on sale, but the shipping costs were $10. And I was against paying those $10 shipping. So if I would buy something, if my order were over $200, I would get free shipping. So I was just looking for something around those $30, $40 to get free shipping. Silly, yes. And I found these that I really liked. Oh yeah, yes. The military blue Air Jordan 1 mids. But they were not available in my size. They were available in US 11.5 and I'm a US 12, and I should have 12.5, but that is a extremely rare size. So I didn't dare to try them in 11.5. So the very few videos out there say that these were just as good, both of them. And I don't remember if they were dropped around the same time, but I think they were, and they are both called SE. SE stands for Special Edition. I have no idea what the Special Edition with them are, but they have very good leather. And during these years, I'm an old sneakerhead. But this year, when people paid way too much for Air Jordan 1s resales, they claim that they want them because of their very good quality. So when the shattered backboard was released and people paid crazy money for those, everyone claimed that it was because of the very good leather quality. But these have really good leather. Ended up on sale. Sale on sale, yeah. And a couple of years after, then people realized, and then people paid way too much for them. So if you are paying resale for good leather Air Jordan 1s, how come Air Jordan mids with a retail price of $135 are on sale from $80, $90 and still available in all sizes, more or less all sizes, with this very nice leather quality? I find that just crazy. The only negative thing is I have used these once already. They are a bit narrow actually, and I can say that extra minor bit narrow or tighter is because of the extra thick leather and extra thick insole. So those millimeters on the leather and on the sole makes the shoe a little bit tighter, but I would think that since the leather is so soft, they will break in. Yeah, I would think so. These are just as nice. And people on those very few videos say that they are military blue, exactly matching with these. And yeah, they are actually. They are. All right. I like blue in general. Really like blue sneakers for some reason. I love red sneakers. I hate red cars. But these are kind of boring. So these I bought more or less only to get that free shipping. That was the point I was getting to. And these I bought from another store, ASOS, because I saw the videos and I was really amazed about the leather. And I thought I have to show Nike that we appreciate this. This is the way we want it. This is the kind of leather we want on all the Air Jordans. Why they put them on a general release mids, I don't know. But I think it's a good thing, a very good thing, that the Jordan Airship, I think the retail on those are like $145, usually have really good materials, no matter if it's suede or leather. And these Air Jordan 1 mids, SE, for $135, really good leather. So I want us sneakerheads to buy the cheap, ugly shoes to show appreciation, to show that this is what we want. This is what we will pay for. So that's why I bought the second pair. Then I bought a pair of fakes. I have a video about that one. From Boring Studio. No, developed by Boring Studio, Air Jordan 1s. All of that just because I thought that the metallic burgundy was too expensive. So yeah, that's the stupid way a stupid sneakerhead can shop sometime. Ended up with 4 sneakers because one pair of sneakers were too expensive. But yeah, I paid about those $90 each. $150 for the metallic, $180, $190 something for the fake ones. That also have good leather. But this, people, you should have these. They are sold out on sneakers and stuff now, because I sent links to everyone that has kids that claim that they are future sneakerheads or sneakerheads today, and they're like 11 years old and they love sneakers. So I sent them, buy them these shoes, because these shoes are wonderful. No hype at all. And I love it that there are no hype about them, even though I'm trying to hype them up. Um, this is as right as it gets. Comfortable shoe, good looking shoe, nice colors you can use every day, available in all sizes, a good retail price, even on sale now, with this very, very good, very soft leather, and thicker insole and thicker tongue as well. Nike SB Dunk thick sole, tongue. Really, really nice. And to all of you sneakerheads that claim that you love the SB Dunks only because they're so comfortable, nothing at all about the hype. This is better than the modern SB Dunks. The old SB Dunks are wonderful, but the modern ones, So my recommendation today, to get these Mids SE, Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, and in general to buy the Jordan Airship. I really like the Airship for so many reasons. I have videos about it. I'm really looking forward to more airships. I can't understand Nike and Jordan brand. You post pictures the other day about Airship celebrate, or the whole thing that Air Jordan 1, but the Air Jordan ship was banned in the NBA 40 years ago. And you don't celebrate it with releasing the Airship in the bread colorway, the band colorway, on that day. I don't understand that at all. At all. But this, you did right. Very right. So, this is an old sneakerhead ranting in the middle of the night about some cheap shoes that nobody buys. That's it, I think. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and comment. Tell me what you like about sneakers. That's a too hard question, but tell me what kind of sneakers you like. Do you like, or what do you prioritize? That they look good, that they are hyped, that they have resale value, or that they are comfortable, or that they work with everything, as many outfits as possible, or that they are really sticking out, that they really shows. What do you like with sneakers, or what do you prioritize? And why don't you have these? Tell me that. Why don't you have these? On sale, $90. I think on StockX, my size were as low as, my size is US 12, always expensive. €88, and I think it's the same in dollars. So why don't you have these? I love sneakers. All right, one minor complaint or request for future Air Jordan 1 Mids SE. You could have given us matching laces as well. They look best like this, white with the blue, white with the red. But I've seen people putting in matching laces. So I, that have a bunch of sneakers, would have matching laces on them to really make them show out and different from the all white ones.